Now, fifth question. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. S is a point on PR. S is a point on PR and T is a point on QR. T is any point on QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. RTS. Join ST. So we get angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. We have to show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Names of the triangles are already given, so we take those triangles. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, angle R is common. Angle R is common. Angle R equals to angle R. For RPQ, angle P, and for RTS, angle these are equal. Let it be number 1. So, angle P of triangle RPQ is equal to angle 1 of triangle RTS. Two angles are equal of the two triangles. Therefore, double A criteria we use. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. This was only to prove, but how they are similar? By double A criteria. Got it? Very easy. In triangle RPQ and RTS, angle R is common. Angle P is equal to angle 1. The two angles are equal. One is common, another one is equal. Therefore, the two sets of angles are equal. Therefore, the two triangles are similar by double A criteria. Now, the next one, sixth question. Question 6. In triangle ABE, in the figure, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. We have to show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So what is the proof here? In triangle, since triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, therefore their corresponding paths are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to AC and AE is equals to AD. AE is equals to AD by CP, CD. Corresponding paths of congruent triangles. If AB is equal to AC and AE is equals to AD, we can take the ratios of those sides. How we take the ratio? AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC. This is equal to this. this is equal to this. Therefore, the ratio of these two will be equal to the ratio of these two. And their included angle. Angle A is equals to angle A by common. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Let's see once again. ABE is congruent to ACD. It means AB is equals to AC, AB equal to AC, and AE is equals to AD. AE is equals to AD. So if this side equal to this side is equal to this side, therefore their ratio will be equal. So this upon this, AE upon AC will be equal to AD upon AB. And their included angle is equal. Therefore, by corresponding sides are in proportion, included angle is equal. Therefore, the triangles will be similar by what? Again, SAS similar. Got it? Clear, children? Now, one more question I'll take. Come to 7th question. Altitudes AD and CE. Triangle is ABC. Altitude AD and CE. Altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at a point P. We have to show this. What is first one? Triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Second one is triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Third one is triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB, and the fourth one is triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So Baudry, I will tell you this first and the fourth one. The remaining these two you will do yourself. Triangle AEP, this triangle, CDP, this triangle. We have to prove that these two are similar. So in triangle, first part, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 1 equals to angle 2 by each 90 degrees. Angle 3 equals to angle 4 by, these are vertically opposite angles. The two angles are equal, two corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. By what? Here, double A criteria. Now, fourth one I take triangle PDC. In triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Triangle PDC. This triangle and triangle BEC. BEC. PDC and BEC. Got it? PDC. One thing we are finding that angle C we are getting common. In triangle PDC, this angle let me take in triangle PDC, 4 angles we have already taken. I will take here angle 5. So angle C I am taking 5. So for triangle PDC, angle 5 is there, and for angle BEC, angle 5 is there. Therefore angle 5 equals to angle 5 by, it is common. In PDC, angle 6, and in triangle PDC, angle 6, and in triangle BEC, angle 7. Angle 6 equal to angle 7 by each 90. Again we have got two angles equal. In this triangle PDC and triangle BEC, angle 5 we have got common, and angle 6 is equal to angle 7, each 90 degree. Therefore triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC by what? Again AA criteria. So first and fourth part I did here, second and third you try yourself. So this is all for today, and tomorrow again I'll prepare few more videos and I'll send you, and few questions I'll take during the class. Good luck. God bless you.